Hi guys, filmed this in the charity shop, so I'm doing a voiceover now. This air engine car, I've already got one of them, so I didn't buy it. Check the video description for the playlist where I run it around a bit. It's brilliant, I love it. And then I also spotted this 14-in-1 solar kit. And again, I've done one of them. So that'll be in the video description as well.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.